Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm just going to share with you how I decorate this braid, how I add accessory on this braid. I really love adding accessory on braids because I feel like even if you didn't do good on the braids, but when we add the accessory they will look good. So I just finished braiding her hair, so I'm just gonna put it in hot water for a minute or so. One thing I would say when working with kids, you gotta be really careful with hot water because kids like to play, they like to turn around. So you have to really be careful with that. Now I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the extra hair. These are the accessories that I'm going to be using to put on her hair. I never used this kind of accessory, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna come out. So let's see. So there's 10 in each pack, and this is how they look. They are pretty small and pretty yeah, they're pretty small, and I actually like how they look. So and as you can see from my hands how small it is, but I think that it's gonna be pretty cute for the hair. So the first thing when you grab one is to open it so it can fit on the braid, because you can switch it bigger or smaller. So this is what I was doing here. Then you just put it on the braid, any area you would like to put it in, and then press it in so it can stay. Next, I'm going to use this accessory. I really never used this accessory, but I really like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to squeeze the end of this braid inside and then put it all the way up. Let me know in the comment below if you have used these accessories and how did you put it, because I have a feeling that this is not really hard to put it, but I like how it looks. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to add all the rest of the accessories all around the braids wherever I see fit, and I will put different accessories. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider putting a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And we are done. This is how the braids looks. It's not the best braid because I didn't want to put any heat on her hair to braid this hair. So let me know in the comment below, how do you braid your hair when it's really full and thick and make it look neat with avoiding heat on her hair. So this is how the hair looks, and you could put it all the way in the back, you could put it on the front, you could put it sideways. So and I like how long it is. It's really fashionable. So thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.